Hello YouTube, my name is Jonah, and today I'll talk about pool pump and how long you should be running it, and also the importance of pool circulation. So if you're new to my channel and you find my video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you always get my latest video. Sharing this video also helps out. So this is my pool. It's 16 by 32 feet with a deep end. It holds over 21,000 gallons of water, or about 80,000 liters. So if you want to know how many gallons of water your pool holds, just ask Google. Just give the information if it's a circular pool, a rectangular pool, if it has a deep end, or a sports pool. And to keep this pool crystal clear, it's very important to keep running my pool pump. And this is a Hayward pump, 1 horsepower. It's over 20 years old and it's a single speed, but still runs awesome. So the big question is, how long should you keep your pool pump running? So the best answer is really to run it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Well, if you can afford it and you don't mind paying that high electricity cost. But the more the pump is running, the more it filters out bacteria, algae, and debris. But you can save money by running it minimum for 8 hours a day. But I keep my pump running between 10 to 12 hours a day. And in my city of Windsor, the electricity is 12.8 cents per kilowatt, so it adds up. I'm very happy with that, and it keeps the pool crystal clear. And another question, is running your pump better at night or during the day? I've heard other people say it's best to run your pool during the day because the sun is out and it warms up the pool, and bacteria and algae thrive in warmer temperatures. And so, I run my pump between noon to 10 p.m. or noon till 12 a.m. So I get the best of both worlds, mostly running during the day and a couple hours at night. But when I do shock my pool or add my secret sea pool, I run it 24 hours for better circulation, and I get best results this way. Now let's talk about circulation of the pool. Now this pump is powerful enough and gives great circulation to my pool, but I do a few more things just to make it better. For example, I position my jet downwards at 5 o'clock position or sometimes at 7 o'clock position, depending on how you want to circulate your pool and where you want the water to flow. Because I want the movement of water below the surface and in a circular motion around the pool. Pushing the water downwards also makes it difficult for algae to build up at the bottom of your pool. Another thing I do is I open up my drain in the deep end of my pool halfway. And I do this by going into my drain and skimmer valve. Notice the position of my dial. The off position is pointed to the top. Therefore, the drain inlet and the skim inlet is opened. So 50% of the water is coming from the drain and the other 50% is coming from my skimmer. So water is always moving into my skimmer. Therefore, movement of the water is on the surface and movement of the water is also below the surface, at the bottom. And that's what you want, making better circulation and making the pump more efficient. And by doing all this, I'm able to keep my pool crystal clear. So, if you liked my video and found it interesting, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you always get my latest video. And also, sharing this content helps a lot. Thanks for watching.